Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your investment choices with Robinhood, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your investment choices with Robinhood, start by downloading the app from the App Store or Google Play. Create an account by providing your email address and setting a secure password. Complete the sign-up process by entering your personal information, including your name, address. Once your account is set up, fund it by linking your bank account and transferring funds into your Robinhood account. Explore the app's interface to familiarize yourself with its features and tools. Click on the Markets tab to view available stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies. Use the search bar to find specific investments or browse through categories that interest you. Tap on an investment to view detailed information, including its price history, performance metrics, and news updates. Consider using the Collections feature to discover stocks grouped by themes or sectors. To make informed investment choices, analyze company fundamentals and performance indicators available in the app. Utilize the news feature for real-time updates, which can impact stock performance. If you're interested in options trading, navigate to the Options tab and learn about the basics of options before diving in. Once you've identified an investment opportunity, click Trade to view options for buying or selling. Choose whether to place a market order or a limit order based on your investment strategy. Always review your order details before confirming to ensure they align with your financial goals. Consider setting up recurring investments for stocks you want to purchase regularly. Use the watchlist feature to keep track of stocks that pique your interest. Explore educational resources and articles available in the app to further enhance your investing knowledge. Monitor your portfolio regularly to assess the performance of your investments and make adjustments as necessary. Stay updated on market trends and economic news, which can impact your investment decisions. Evaluate your strategies periodically to ensure they align with your evolving financial. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.